Okay, let's just pick a random product. Maybe, yeah, this one, I like it. Sandscape lamp. Nice design, nice review, I like this product. But I don't like this name. So my customers will easily find it on AliExpress and buy here instead of my web store. It's time to create a new name. I've got a lamp with a scent inside, give me the name for it. No, not the salts, I just want 5 possible titles. Serene Sands, Sandstorm Lamp, Desert Dreams Lamp, yeah, this is it. Okay, I'm ordering this lamp from Amazon Prime and it's time to create my web store. Usually a proper description of the product is my weakest point, so let's ask ChatGPT to do this for me. Give me the description for a Sandscape lamp. No, I don't want a science article, I want it for a customer. Our Sandscape lamp is a beautifully crafted and unique piece. Yeah, this is it. This is what I needed. Okay, I finished my web store and my lamp has just arrived. So to advertise my product, I need to do some creatives about this lamp, but I don't know what to film about. Give me 10 TikTok titles for videos with Sandscape lamp. Okay, that's a nice list. I will definitely use some of the titles from this list. But to be honest, I need something else. I need 10 video ideas to sell Sandscape lamp. A video demonstrating the mesmerizing and calming effect, a video demonstrating the wide range of color options, and so on. Yeah, this is exactly what I need, and I will use some ideas from this list. So I've made 55 creatives about this product, then I need to create my TikTok account, boost it to 1000 followers and start uploading the videos. After 3 days of uploading, I've got my first sales. After 5 days, I included paid ads to my ad campaign. So a week after I created this web store and started my sales, I reached a level of $8,000 per 1 day in sales. What can I tell you about using ChatGPT in dropshipping? Nowadays, this is a convenient helper that will save you a nice amount of time. It won't solve all of your problems. It won't establish ads campaigns for you and won't sell a product for you, but it will definitely clear your schedule and grant you more spare time. And your time is the most valuable asset in every business model. So, if you want to know how else can you use ChatGPT for dropshipping, stay tuned to this channel, and as always you can ask me anything in the comments, I will try to answer everyone. Press the like button, subscribe button, and see you in the next video.